Hello everyone, this is David with Grow and Eat This. It's just a real quick video on propagating African blue basil. Now, all of this that you see is two plants. Two plants started in the spring, and as you can see, they are definitely a favorite of the bees. There are just bees everywhere, and you can't get these from seeds. You got to get them from a planting. So I'll show you how we do that. What I did was I took some cuttings. I tried to get cuttings that didn't have any flowers on them. That didn't work out too well, because then the ones that did have flowers on them very quickly. Okay. Now we'll get some dirt and just shove them in. After a week or so, they start to make some roots. Then I just shove them into some dirt. And that's pretty much all it takes to do. Should have changed this water more often. But I'm going to hold on to it. See if it's got any good paramecium growing in it. And now I'm probably going to go get me some more cuttings. Tough part about cuttings is to try and do it without agitating the bees, getting yourself hurt. I'm going to go way down. And it's so bright out I can't tell what I'm doing on the camera. Okay, that's probably one, maybe two. Need to get a couple more. Well, this should have a bunch for me. Right. Okay, there's another one. Let's see what we have here. Okay, I think this will make two right here. So that gives me four. Let's go get these into some fresh water. Alright, I filled my container back up with some fresh water out of a rain barrel. There's me a nice node there. Nice node down there. There and down there. So this looks like four nice new plants. It'll take them about a week to get some roots, and then I can get them in pots also. So that's really all there is to it. I've got some stuff growing inside under lights, so I'll put them in there so they don't have to put up with the 90-degree temperatures, and they'll be ready to go in a week. Here's another container. These have been going for a week. Made a few more little pots here. And I don't know if the camera will show it or not. You can see there's some roots right there. And there's some really nice roots on that one and on that one. So I'm going to poke a hole in with my finger, push that in. Here's my other guy with some good roots. Make a hole, push that in. That guy I'll put back in the water. This one's got some good little roots showing right there. So we'll see how these are doing. And we'll keep that one going. So I've got 6 at this point, and I got some new ones started up. So little luck, I can keep the African blue basil, have it wintered over winter, and be ready to go again in the spring and make that outstanding set of flowers for the bees that you see over there. This is David at Grow and Eat This with a little quickie on African blue basil. Thank you for watching.